Sean Hannity's Twitter account was deactivated briefly on Saturday following a tweet that said, "Form submission 1649. Twitter later confirmed the account was compromised, but by whom? Hannity's supporters and opponents alike were quick to suggest there was a conspiracy afoot, and those rumors haven't stopped swirling since. Some Hannity fans were quick to assume it was the quote, deep state, trying to silence the outspoken talk show host. Others thought this event was a repeat of the time President Donald Trump's personal Twitter account was taken down by a Twitter employee. And some think Hannity simply deleted the account himself, either for attention or by accident. Neither Hannity nor Twitter has released an explanation for the downtime, though Hannity did tweet Saturday night, quote, "You can't get rid of me that easy."